Are you ready to put on your dancing shoes and learn how to do the shoulder shimmy? Oh wait, we do belly dancing barefoot. One less thing. For the shoulder shimmy, you want to take the belly dancing stance, hips come in, feet are under the hips, big toes point forward, shoulders are back, collarbones are spread. You can bring your arms out like this, thumb and middle finger together, and you just want to bring, these are slightly bent. You want to bring one shoulder forward and then back, forward and back. You lift up your rib cage to separate from the bottom and the top so that you've got some separation between the two. And then just work on speeding it up. We can try it to music. And then if you want to give it a try and know if you're doing it properly, go up against a wall. Just place your shoulders up against the wall and bring one against the wall and then just rotate back and forth. And this will be a great tool to help you know if you've got the chest shimmy down. Just come to the wall. Well done. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a good grasp on how to do the chest shimmy. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who you want to see dance with you. And check me out on Instagram too. Until next time, may love and light be yours. Namaste.